Hello, I'm Nico. Welcome back. Today we're going to be making chocolate fudge mug cakes from the Complete Cookbook for Young Chefs. I'm going to start our ingredients and then we'll see a surprise later in the video. Your first ingredient is 1/4 cup of flour, all-purpose flour. Then you're going to get your baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, then 4 tablespoons of butter, unsalted butter, cut into 4 pieces. And then you're going to get your chocolates. You can do semi-sweet or bittersweet chocolate chips. I chose semi-sweet because I like sweet stuff. You're going to have 3 tablespoons. Get 3 tablespoons of this. And then you need 2 large eggs. Then you're going to get 1/4 cup of sugar. And then you'll need 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then you're going to need 1/8 teaspoon of salt. So, let's get into it. Okay, so our first step to actually making it, you're going to take your flour, put it in a bowl. Doesn't have to be microwave safe, just put it in there. Okay, now you're going to take your baking powder. Just gonna open this up. You're going to take your baking powder. Now you're going to whisk those two together, just a little, not too much, and put it to the side. We're going to get back to that in a little bit. Now you're going to take a large microwavable bowl, put your chocolate chips in there, and you're going to put your butter in there as well. Okay, now you're going to set it in your oven, set it to melt / cook or something and you can check on it like every 30 seconds, maybe stir it around to make sure that it's melted. And we're going to do that right now. We're going to take it out. I did it for just 30 seconds and then stir it a little. Put it back in for about another 30 seconds. And okay, so it only took about 10 extra seconds. So just do it for like 40 seconds and you're good. Whisk it a little. Now you're going to take your eggs. I would do one at a time. So if you get a bad egg or a shell, it won't ruin both eggs. It will just maybe ruin one. So crack them into a bowl. And don't take your chocolate out of the bowl because it doesn't just fine in that bowl. Now we're going to pour this egg in here. Then we're going to take our next egg, crack it. And throw that away. Put it in the sink. I'm gonna rinse my hands real quick because it's gooey. And we're gonna continue. Now you're going to put that in the bowl as well. You have 2 eggs. Now this bowl is kind of useless. You're gonna whisk it a little. Whisk it around a bit. And we're going to continue whisking it a little bit. So now you're going to take your sugar and flatten that out. Now put that in your bowl. Kind of raw sugar, but for kids that's great. Now you're going to take your cocoa powder, 2 of these, 1 2. Now you're going to take your vanilla extract, and I use Hershey's cocoa powder for my cocoa powder. Now you're going to get your salt, little salt thing I have. Don't want too much salt. You can just pat it down with your finger if you'd like. And then we're going to whisk. Just get that all mixed up. Just mix it up, and if you need to like remember the ingredients or something, or the amounts, I might put it in the comments, or you can just always just look at the beginning if you would like. And we're going to continue whisking until... Okay, so once you whisk it until it's smooth, you're going to add your flour mixture to the chocolate mixture. Be careful when you're adding it. Now, you're going to whisk that until it's smooth. And once it's smooth, you're going to put it in your mugs. And then you're going to put it in the oven and enjoy. We'll get to how long you put it in the oven for in a little. So. It's starting to get thick. Okay, so once you've stirred it and it's soft-ish, you're going to divide the batter by your 2 mugs. Almost just dropped it. Try to get that in there. Try to divide it all. Try to get it all and divide it in each mug evenly, or attempt to. If you can't, that's kind of fine. I don't know. If you're like me and someone gets more chocolate, then I'll lose it. So I'm gonna try to get it evenly. I'm using like a ladle kind of thing because it's easier than using a normal spoon. And you will want to get the sides, but I'm just going for the middle right now. Then I'll get the sides with something else. So, then I continue. Try to get it all in. Then once, you can fast forward it if you'd like, but once you've done that, once you've evened it out, you're going to put it in your microwave at 50% power for a minute. Then after that minute, you're going to stir the batter, and I'll continue there. Okay, so once you've evenly done it, you're going to put them in your microwave. And after a minute, you're going to take them out and stir them. So, okay, you're still. The baby. Hey, he's biting my finger. I think he smells the chocolate. He's just a puppy. He's a little cute puppa. So, okay, now our minutes is up. We're going to take them out, each of them, and we're going to stir both of them. We want to get to the bottom of each, stir it around. Oh, that looks like a lot. That looks really chocolatey. Now you want to get all that batter in because you don't have another chance really to do it again. So now you're going to stir the other one. Get both of them. And get that chocolate off. You want to keep as much chocolate as you can. Okay? Oh, and just to let you know, this is not sugar-free. It has a lot of sugar. So now you're going to put them back in for 1 more minute. Okay, now that we did it, we had to add a little extra time. You can add any topping, ice cream, whipped cream, sprinkles, basically anything. I'm just gonna add ice cream to mine. Might do 2 scoops. Just a little one. And then enjoy. Well, that was delicious, but I don't know why the sponge is so happy. I have to do all these dishes.